Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. I've been getting emails, people asking me, what credit card can I apply for today that's accepting people with bankruptcy or might have a bankruptcy in the past but still showing on their credit report? So we're gonna go through this list. This is simple and it's easy. First on the list is the Surge MasterCard. Now again, always do your own research, no matter what I say or anybody say. You know, again, these credit cards, yes, they might be accepting people with bankruptcy, but that interest rate is going to be very high. It's not going to be 12%, 18%. You're looking at 25, 30, 35%. So just keep in mind. And on top of that, all of these have annual fees as well. Next on the list is Credit One. Another one you could do a pre-qualification. Credit One been around for a long time and they pretty much accept 8 out of 10 people that apply with them. Don't matter if you have collection, charge-off, bankruptcy, they will accept you. So that decision after you do your own reviews. Again, all these cards has annual fee. The annual fee on Credit One, I believe, is about $95 a year. Next on the list is the First Progress Prestige Secured MasterCard. Another one that has annual fees. They say regular right here. Let me highlight this right here. Regular APR, right? 13.49%. But once you do the process and you do apply, it will definitely jump to close to about 30%. So you want to keep that in mind, or even higher if you're going to consider applying for this secured card. Fourth on the list is Capital One. You know, Capital One probably on my list is the easiest credit card to get and can start rebuilding your credit real quick within 30 days. And again, we all know they look at all 3 credit bureaus. So just keep in mind, if you do apply, it will go to all 3 credit bureaus. You will get an inquiry across the board, right? Last on the list is the Indigo credit card. This is another one. If you decided to apply for it and you got a bankruptcy, they will accept you, but you're going to get high limits. You're going to get them high interest rate and you're going to get an annual fee. So again, you know, I'm big on staying away from these kind of credit cards, but I understand everybody is in a different position in life and you got to make your final decision. Let's go over to my website where you're getting that free ebook, Personal Business, so you can start working on this credit report. Here on the website, and if you want to drop me a line, you got any questions, go right to the bottom. Send me a question and I'll get back to you within 4 hours. If you want me to do a review on any product, credit cards, personal loans, business lines of credit, auto loans, whatever it may be, send me an email and I'll get back to you on that topic. And then go right to the store section, scroll down, and then right here you have the Ultimate Credit Repair Guide, and you could download it for absolutely free, people, with the collection, removal letters, charge-off inquiries, in the check system. Everything is in this ebook to start building your credit report and your credit score. For those that's more advanced and want to start building their business side, go right back to the store section. Click the business guide to building wealth step by step. Download it for absolutely free and start working on your business credit. Start increasing those credit scores, man. So I brought you again 5 credit cards that's accepting people that have bankruptcies on their credit report. Get in the comments, tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.